Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the #1 easiest place that you can go to sell your PLR products and make money online. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, don't forget to smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Welcome back. Now, I recently had one of my subscribers asking me where you can go to sell your PLR products. Now, one of the places you can go to sell PLR products is Payhip. Now let's go through Payhip and have a look at what it's all about. Well, Payhip is essentially an online store where you can have all these different PLR ebooks that you can then sell to your heart's content. You also get your own website name from Payhip, and we can just copy that and have a look at it, and this will give you a store once you've set it up. Let's have a quick look at that. And as you can see, I've got a little blurb about my website, which is Webstar PLR Online, which is this particular one right here. It just gives you a second stream of income in case you want to sell from a different platform. Now, what you can do is you can go through, you can have a look at all the different ones I've just put in. Now, I only just literally opened this store up yesterday, so it's got no sales as yet. But I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up a product and how you can actually do it. Now, I'll let you know that when you first start up on Payhip, there are quite a few steps you need to take to be able to get this up and running. There are things like having to add your payment details, you also have to add your tax details, you also have to do other things like that. And if you have a physical product, you'll also need to add things like shipping details and so forth, and how much it's going to cost to do that. You can also do things like you'll have areas where you can do your analytics, also your marketing. And the good part about the marketing is you can also do things like affiliate marketing, or you can give discount codes. Now, another thing you can do is have it that where someone promotes your product, they can get 25% discount on the next product they purchase. If they sell, say for example, if they sign 2 people up to your store, then they can get 50% discount. If they sign 3 people up to your store, they get 75% discount. And if they sign 4 people to your store, you guessed it, they get 100% discount on their next product. So it's just a way of motivating them to be able to promote your product and let people know you're out there. Now, if they share that with a heap of people on their Facebook page, and then, say for example, 4 people come in and they decide to purchase one of your products, then you have a much better avenue on how to sell things. Now let's go and have a look at what we have here. So let's first of all go over here to the product section. We'll have a quick look at how many products are here. Now, as I said, this is just set up as of yesterday, and there are no sales as yet. But as you can see, there are a few products already put in here, and it's a very, very simple process of how to do this. Now, I'm going to go over here to, first of all, start off, we need to go add new products. So we click on that, and as you can see, they've got digital products, physical products, and subscription billing. Now, if you have a membership site or something like that, you can have it so as a subscription billing as well. So let's click on there. Now, the first thing you want to do is consider uploading a product. So I already have a product ready to go. So all we have to do is click on that. And I'm going to go back here because this was one I just did earlier, and we're going to go here. Now, the first thing you want to do is go down here. I'm going to be doing the Relieve Your Stress with Yoga. Now, it's good to keep it in a zip folder. So we go down here to Relieve Your Stress with Yoga. Click on that, and you'll see why in just a moment why I have it opened in another folder. Now over here we can go Relieve Your Stress with Yoga. And usually what I do is I put MRR or PLR MRR stands for, whoops daisy, MRR stands for Master Resale Rights. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. Now we can now set the price here. Now I'm thinking I might set that for $6.50. Like that. $6.50. Now we can add a cover page. This is why I have it opened in another page. So I can have it here, going down till I find Relieve Your Stress with Yoga. Go like that. Go like that. And we're going to go to the ebook section. And there should be a JPEG or a PNG file, which is right here. We double click on that. And that will upload it into here in this square format. And then that's good because that means you can share it on things like Instagram as well. Now another thing I want to do is go over here to my website and go over here to personal development, and I'm going to scroll down till I actually find that image, Relieve Your Stress with Yoga. So I'm going to scroll down till I find that. There it is. And then I'm going to just double click on that, wait for that to wake up. You see over here, it's got like a little blurb. I'm just going to go down here, and highlight over the top of this. I'm going to right click, copy, go back over here, and then I'm going to be putting that into this section right here, going Control V. Now you can do things like highlight the first part of the line if you wish to, make that bold. You can maybe H3 if you wish to, you can make it larger. You can, do a whole heap of different things you'd like. You can do with it. And then over here you've got your advanced option just here. I'm going to go hit advanced, and with this you've got product as an ebook. Then down here you can automatically subscribe it. Now I'm going to blur this out, and this way you can't see where I'm setting it. And that's going to my mailing list with Aweber. And all we have to do is add product. There we are. Now what it does is it gives you the web page and also show my product page. Now let's have a look at the product page for one moment. So this is what it looks like. You got Relieve Your Stress with Yoga, and you got here, and then you also have a little bit of a blurb, and you've got your buy now button and your add to cart button. And it is as simple as that. It's really quite easy once you know how it's done. But the thing is, there is a bit of a setup time, but what it does is it takes you through step by step, and it has a progress bar which then allows you to know how far you have to go before you've completed all the processes. You need to add things like your bio, you need to add things like your payment details, as well as your tax details, and they set it all up for you, which is really easy. Makes it super simple. And you can also do things like your marketing, and the good thing about the marketing, as I said before, is you can set it up for an affiliate. Now with the affiliate offer, all you really need to do is consider offering discounts, in which case people can get discounts of 25% or more, or less or more. And then it encourages people to sign other people up because they get discounts for everybody that they sign up. And of course you can get to see your analytics as well as your customers. Now, as I said before, this is a brand new site that I started up just yesterday, so it has got no sales. However, it is available for sales if you wish. If you want to be able to promote your entire product, this is your web page that you want to be able to promote. So I'm just going to right click, copy on that. Now the link for this one will be in the description down below if you want to have a look at it, and we can put it there, and you can place this on anything like Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, or anywhere you like really, where you can start grabbing traffic to your web page and where you can start selling your PLR products. Now this one here is 12 Internet Marketing ebooks that you can purchase as a bulk thing, and then as you can see they have the various prices on them, and people can come in and they can purchase from what you have in your store. And it really, as you can see, it only takes a couple of minutes. Once you get your website set up, it really only takes a couple of minutes to set up an ebook. And the best part about it is you don't have to physically do the whole emailing them separately. If you were to do this on Fiverr or eBay, You literally have to go into your store every day and then sending them a copy. Or you might need to check it 3 or 4 times a day to see if you've got any sales. And if you have any sales, then you need to physically send that person an email with the download link in it. However, here they can download it directly from Payhip. And that's the beautiful part about Payhip. Okay guys, that's all there is for this video. Now, if you like this video, please remember to smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share? Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.